If your Jumia order is stuck on processing, here is how to solve it. So check your payment status. You go to account and select orders and confirm whether your payment was successfully debited or is still pending bank authorization. Secondly is to clear app cache and refresh. You close the Jumia app, go to your phone settings and clear the app cache and open Jumia again to refresh the order status. Thirdly is wait out the seller window. Standard seller processing typically takes 24 to 72 hours. If you place the order recently on a weekend, allow this time frame to pass. Lastly is to contact Jumia support via the live chat. Open the app, go to account and tap help center. Select live chat and give the agent your order number so they can manually update or escalate the status. Then you can cancel the reorder. If the order stays stuck past 72 hours without progress, open the order under orders and cancel order and reorder the item. Thank you for watching and goodbye.